Hey everyone, Bob, Southwest Michigan Sales LLC. It is currently Thursday, April 17th, 2025. Just to let everyone know, this morning I've been doing it again. I have an FTDA vase that sold for $3 on my website. Going to be going out to Texas. I actually have it already bubble wrapped twice, getting ready to shut it up for the second time. Let me sit this down so I don't get it broke. That would be bad. And then I have another order that sold for $20.75 on Mercari, already boxed up. It is a WCW Slamboree VHS that sold again for $20.75. Going to be going out to Missouri. My mom's laughing at me over here in the background. That's fine. She knows that I do this. I'm the one that actually reminded her this morning. So anyway, long story short, I'm going to show you the rest of the stuff that is sold for the last few weeks. There's some items that I didn't show you. Got preoccupied with something or vice versa. Also had a few local sales as well. I generally don't show those on these videos, but I do meet people locally as well. I will tell you that we had a pretty good spurt in March of about a 2-week time period of sales. The end of March was horrible. The beginning of April so far has not been good. My last year, April, was not very good either. So I'm kind of contributing it to April as just being a bad month. But always happy to make any sale for any dollar amount. Hopefully this video will show you some of the items that I have been selling. Like I said, it has been very slow, but I do believe it will pick up. There's always ups and downs in this type of a business. So just stay positive, just keep working forward. And as always, if you could please like, share, subscribe the channel, it would be much appreciated. And let's get into what else has sold. Peace out. Have a few more items here that have recently sold, folks. The Encyclopedia of Natural Health by Max Warmbrand. It's a 1962 hardcover book. That sold for $4.35 actually on Mercari. I did already pack that up, so I'll put a screenshot up here to show you guys what it looks like. And also too, I sold Tequila Sunrise here on VHS. This just recently sold for $3 and is going to be going out to Baltimore, Maryland. This is actually one of the items that I recently did a update on my website. I made the photos look better and also added SEO, which is search engine optimization information, to the listing, and I do believe it helped sell the product. Next thing that sold is actually something that has not been listed long at all, but it's this Vision Corning 1-liter saucepan. This sold for $12 and is going to be going out to Florida. Sold this video game right here. I actually have it already packed up in bubble wrap. Almost forgot to show you folks. Sorry. Anyway, it is called Cabela's Big Game Hunting Party. It is for Xbox 360 and it sold for $6 plus shipping on its way out to California. Have some more items, folks, that have recently sold. I'd like to go ahead and show you here. The first item is actually an Assassin's Creed. It's the original first release. It's actually in a replacement plastic jewel case here. And that sold for $3 plus shipping and is going to be going out to Texas. Next item that sold is actually this VeggieTales Esther. This sold incredibly quickly. This usually doesn't happen. It sold in about an hour after listing it. It actually sold on Mercari for $3.75 and is going to be going out to New York State. Sorry, my camera's all around there. Trying to look at my paperwork and talk to you guys at the same time. So, next item that sold is actually this Barbie doll. I actually have several other Barbie dolls also listed. There's going to be another one coming up here soon. I have to get it pulled to show you guys. I just wanted to show you these a while. This is actually a Florida Vacation Barbie. Showed right there, and that sold for $12 and is going to be going and staying in the state of Michigan. Actually, it's going over by Detroit. actually staying in the state of Michigan. Looks like my printer finally recognized that print I'm trying to print out. So I'm sorry about that, guys. It's going to be making some noise there in the background. Next thing that sold actually was this Christopher Reeves Hope in Motion DVD, and this sold for $3 and is going to be going out to New York. Okay, have some more items that have sold. Like I said, I just hadn't pulled them. I wanted to make sure I didn't mix them up, to be frankly honest with you guys. That's why I didn't show them at that moment. But for you guys, only a few seconds lapsed. For me, over an hour lapsed. So, the beauty of video, right? Okay, anyway, this next item that sold is actually a Barbie doll. It is the Happy Birthday Barbie doll, which is right here. I do not have the best hold on this Barbie doll right now. There we go. Anyway, this sold for $22 plus shipping and is going to be going out to Georgia. All right, let me go ahead and get this set down. I need to get me something to hold this camera. Okay. Next item that sold is actually this Chiquita. It's a banana recipe book, which is actually pretty cool, to be honest with you guys. This sold for $6, which is right here. Chiquita banana recipes. It's not a very big book. It's a soft cover or a paperback is what you'd call it. But anyway, that sold for $6 plus shipping and is going to be going out to Connecticut, guys. Connecticut. Okay, the next item that sold is actually from a repeat customer, and I greatly appreciate this customer. He is from Tennessee, and he bought Assault on Precinct 13, and this sold for $2. And the next item that sold is actually something that I just listed not too long ago. It's only been listed for about a week or so. It's actually called The Mary Tyler Moore Show, featuring Assistant Wanted Female. This sold for $2 on my website and is going to be going out to Virginia. Again, that's going to be going to Virginia. Sold this Good Luck Care Bear. It's a PVC posable figurine, and this sold for $9 plus shipping and is going to be going out to Utah. Have some more items here, folks, that have sold. I have a Yogi Bear that is for Nintendo Wii. This sold for $8 plus shipping and is going to be going out to New Jersey. Next item that sold is actually a CD. It is called Suspect Bill in Bill Me Later. It's a used CD, but actually the CD inside looks extremely clean. But anyway, this sold for $15 plus shipping and is going to be going out to Texas. Again, that CD is going out to Texas for $15. Have this Crusaders Might and Magic PlayStation 1 game. This sold actually on Mercari for $4.99. I had it listed for $5. The buyer sent me a message saying, hey, I can't get this to the sale to go through, so I'm just going to go ahead and send you this 1 penny off offer, which was totally fine. It's going out to Texas. Next up, guess what? I sold some Avon. A lot of people will tell you Avon does not sell. I will tell you right now, it does sell. Does it sell quick? No. Does it sell for a lot of money? Most of the times, no. But it can. Certain pieces do sell for good money. I'll give you, for instance, a few years ago, I actually had a local customer here that bought nearly $300 worth of Avon items from me. They bought probably about 80% of the stock that I had listed at the time. That is probably one of my largest sales that I've ever had to one customer. They met me 3 different times. And I actually ended up finding more Avon afterwards after I met them. And I don't know. I haven't heard back from them. I'm thinking they probably got everything that they wanted, which is totally fine. But I will tell you, Avon does sell. It doesn't sell quick. Does it sell for a lot of money? Most of the times, no. But it does sell. So keep your eye out for it. It's very cheap when you go most places because most people totally walk by it. Do I think it might be the next in item? The last 4 years or so, it seems like it's picking up better in sales, in my opinion. I've noticed items are going for 3 times what they were 5-6 years ago. Is it going to be super expensive? I don't think so. Not for maybe 20 years down the road, but it does sell. It's an item I would consider a bread and butter item. I've sold quite a bit of Avon through the years, so just wanted to give you that little bit of a story and that little bit of tidbit of information. Have some more sales I'd like to show you folks. This order just came in, and it is currently Thursday, March 27th of 2025. I had a customer buy actually 4 different products. Let's go over these and I'll show you what they are and how much they sold for. This is a lot of 4 religious trivets or tile trivets. This lot of 4 sold for $4. Okay, this customer bought all tile trivets, just so you guys know. The next one here is actually from Arkansas, and this one sold for $5. This is an old, it's called a triangle Shun Long teapot design trivet. Show you there. And it's got a unique design at the top there, and this one also sold for $5. And the last one that sold is actually this old coach house. It's a Woolhampton trivet from Japan. And this one sold for $8 plus shipping. And all of these, like I said, are going to go to the same customer, and they're going to go to Mecosta, Michigan. Sold this Star Wars catchphrase item for $15 plus shipping. And this is going to be going out to Kansas. I actually sold it on Mercari, and I actually have one more still available. They are on my website for $12 plus shipping. But like I said, the one that I did sell was for $15 on Mercari. So I actually had 2 of these in stock. So, okay, on to the next items.